That one. What is going on, YouTube? Today I'm going to teach you how to catch tons of fish. Today we're going to be fishing with the Shaky Head rig. I'm going to teach you how to rig it up, how to catch fish on it, and we catch a ton of fish. All right, y'all, so I'm going to teach you how to rig a Shaky Head rig, just real quick, just in case you don't know. If you know this, you can skip through. Anyway, there's a little screw right here, and you're just gonna screw on the bait. Just hook it like a Texas rig, and then you can bury the hook. So I just got, so far all the bass we've been hooking on was on a Zoom Watermelon Red, little finesse worm. Really like that color. Works really well on a Shaky Head rig. Alrighty, I am using the Lose Classic Pro. It's a new rod, new reel. I also have it on a new rod that's crap, but we'll see. We'll try and catch a fish on it. I'm using 15-pound fluorocarbon, so we will try to catch fish. That one. Ooh. Not a bad size on the Shaky Head. Not a bad fish. That was the first cast after getting it all set up. Not bad. Here we go on the Shaky Head rig. I'm going to, also I apologize for the noise. I can't control what's going on in the background, but I'm going to fish right along the street and treat it just like a normal Texas rig. These Shaky Head rigs, I just like to bounce them, and that normally works for me. Guys, did you see that swirl? Oh my gosh. I'm telling you guys, it must be, I think, Shaky Head rigs, fall fishing. I think it's, oh my gosh. I don't know how that fish missed it. Guys, did you see that? That was crazy. Two. Ooh, yeah.
That's a pretty nice one.
Yeah.
What'd you get it on?
Shaky Head.
No. The Zoom worm?
Yep. No, the Zoom finesse worm is amazing for that Shaky Head rig.
Yeah, it is.
I was looking at it in the water, and all right, that's the second bass on the Shaky Head rig. With the Zoom finesse worm. Just got the third fish on the Shaky Head rig. Bass. Just like that, guys. I was just bouncing it right up in there. I'm telling you. Oh my gosh. I'm trying to get this out. Nice little bass. I'm telling you guys, this Shaky Head rig with the finesse worm, pretty mean setup. Let's drop this guy back in. Oh, you can. It has tons of sensitivity.
You know that I got a Shaky Head
So we are going to move to a new location on the pond. Alrighty, we are at the new spot. And Grandpa's throwing a shaky head rig too, because I've been catching all the fish on the shaky head rig. Wow, that tree was destroyed from the hurricane. Another fish on the shaky head rig. Awesome. Let's get this guy back in the water. Anyway, I think that is going to be the end of the shaky head rig video. Anyway, that was the end of the video. I hope you found it helpful, and like, subscribe, you know, if you like fishing content, help a brother out, and hope you liked the video. Have a good one.